What is ChatGPT or ChatGPT-4? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. As a language model based on the GPT-3 or GPT-3.5 architecture, ChatGPT can assist us with any questions or tasks we may have, use natural language processing to understand our inputs and provide relevant responses. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of data, including books, articles, and online content, and can generate human-like text in a variety of styles and tones. Whether we need help with academic research, personal inquiries, or just want to chat, ChatGPT are here to assist us. ChatGPT is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3.5 and GPT-4 families of large language models, LLMs, and has been fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. GPT-4 is a large multimodal model that accepts image and text inputs, emitting text outputs. It exhibits human-level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks. In comparison with GPT-3.5 or ChatGPT, GPT-4 is more reliable, creative, and has a greater ability to handle nuanced instructions. It is factually more accurate than GPT-3.5 and is less prone to hallucination, meaning fabricating facts. The greatest difference, however, is in its ability to accept images as input besides text. And besides the expanded modality, it has a significantly increased context length. This means that it can now take a lot more text as prompts than is the case with GPT-3.5. In addition, GPT-3.5 has been trained with 175 billion parameters and GPT-4 has a lot more on that. Here, parameters are simply variables that machine learning models use to make predictions or decisions based on input data. These variables can be adjusted during the training process to improve the accuracy of the model's output. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates said that ChatGPT is the most revolutionary tech in 40 years. The age of AI has begun, Bill Gates says. This revolutionary tech is the biggest innovation since the user-friendly computer. Why are ChatGPT and ChatGPT-4 such hot topics now? ChatGPT has become a powerful tool that can be used in a variety of ways to enhance productivity across many areas. ChatGPT-4 is more accurate, creative and collaborative than the previous iteration, ChatGPT 3.5, and 40% more likely to produce factual responses. Together, they offer a wonderfully intriguing method of interacting with and producing content that sounds amazingly human. How does ChatGPT work? To generate responses, ChatGPT uses a multi-layer transformer network, which is a type of deep learning architecture that has proven to be effective at processing natural language. The model takes an input sentence, processes it using its internal knowledge, and then generates a response that is relevant to the input. Once you give ChatGPT a question or prompt, it passes through the AI model and the chatbot produces a response based on the information you've given and how that fits into its vast amount of training data. It's during this training that ChatGPT has learned what word, or sequence of words, typically follows the last one in a given context. ChatGPT works by attempting to understand your prompt and then spitting out strings of words that it predicts will best answer your question, based on the data it was trained on. In addition, the newer version ChatGPT-4 can handle both text and images in contrast to the present version of ChatGPT, which can process image inputs in addition to text inputs. GPT-4's multimodal capability can process different types of images such as photographs, screenshots, or even hand-drawn pictures. The approach is to use an image recognition model to identify objects or scenes in the image and provide this information as text input to ChatGPT-4. For example, an image recognition model could identify that an image contains dog, flowers, or text, and provide this information as text input to ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 could then generate a response based on this information. What can ChatGPT do? ChatGPT uses a deep learning technique called transformer, which allows it to generate natural language text similar to human writing. ChatGPT can help translate language, answer questions, summarize text, write creatively and more. Long and short of it, ChatGPT is a super versatile tool that can do and be almost everything. It's essentially a chatbot that's designed to assist you in any way it can, drawing up a huge bank of information and machine language learning to answer questions. For example, I just entered text input as, "What is the distance between Earth and Mars?" Then it rendered me with detailed answers. Besides, ChatGPT can even find and fix code errors for programmers. Take GitHub Copilot for example. It is an AI-powered code completion tool developed by OpenAI in collaboration with GitHub. The AI tool can also be incorporated into different code editors. It is designed to assist developers in writing code faster and with fewer errors by suggesting code snippets and auto-completing code as they type. Are answers from ChatGPT accurate? ChatGPT is likely to give correct answers to most general knowledge questions most of the time, but it can easily go wrong or seem to be making things up, hallucinating, as the developers sometimes call it, when the question is phrased in an unusual way or concerns a more specialized topic. While testing the tool, it has been concluded that, though its language capabilities are impressive, the accuracy of its responses can't always be trusted. That said, ChatGPT can still be used as a source of inspiration and feedback, but currently not as a source of accurate information. Are jobs at risk due to ChatGPT? According to a report from Goldman Sachs, generative AI has the potential to automate approximately 300 million full-time jobs worldwide, based on an analysis of data on occupational tasks in the US and Europe. Some of the jobs that are at risk of displacement by AI technologies like ChatGPT are white-collar jobs, such as data entry clerks, administrative assistants, and insurance underwriters. These jobs typically involve routine and repetitive tasks that can be automated by AI technologies. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT is not the only AI technology that can automate jobs.
Goldman Sachs says up to 300 million full-time jobs around the world could be affected by artificial intelligence. In a report Sunday, their economists predicted 18% of work globally could be computerized. According to that report, the most affected jobs would be administrative workers and lawyers. Less affected jobs are expected to be in physically demanding or outdoor occupations like construction and repair work.
Nonetheless, it is important to note that AI will not replace all jobs and that new job roles will emerge as well, such as conversational AI engineer, data scientist, UX designer, AI trainer, AI ethicist, etc. ChatGPT, as an AI language model, is not designed to replace human jobs. Its main purpose is to assist humans in various tasks such as generating text, answering questions, and completing simple tasks. In fact, AI technologies like ChatGPT can help increase productivity and efficiency, which can ultimately create new job opportunities. Overall, while there may be some job roles that become automated in the future, the impact of ChatGPT on employment will likely be minimal, and it is more likely that AI will complement human labor rather than replace it entirely. Where to get ChatGPT or ChatGPT-4? ChatGPT is accessible at OpenAI and Microsoft Bing. GPT-4 is now available to all ChatGPT Plus users for a monthly $20 charge, or you can access some of its capabilities for free in apps like Bing Chat or PD for Apple Watch. However, it is important to note that GPT-4 is not available to free users. You can also apply for access to GPT-4 by filling out a form if you are an existing Azure OpenAI customer. Also, you can use the ChatGPT-4 powered AI writer at WriteSonic as described in the description of this video below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.